Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter here, and today I had an idea. They don't come often, so let's get it on record. I'm sure this has been done a million times by a million different people, but I'm very proud of myself for thinking of this. So, I've had a big box of die cut card shapes for years and years and years and years and years. And I've had these ovals in, which I've never really known how to use. I would tend to just die cut things out of them and then throw the negatives away because, I don't know, just a weird shape. Or I do sometimes use them on the inside of cards that I make and I stamp like happy birthday or get well soon, thank you or whatever on them. But there is an abundance of them in all different colours. So I thought, what can we make? Haha, I had a plan. What about if we make a flower? How are we going to construct this flower? Well, we are going to need a split pin. I've had these stashed away for ages. Oh, they're in frame. I've never known what to do with them. So, here is a good use. So let's start with this red and green selection. So you're going to need 6 shapes, and they don't have to be ovals, they can be circles. I've only tried them with round shapes, I haven't tried it with squares or anything angular. And it's gonna, in its finished form, I put my teeth back in, I'm expecting it to like go in a tuck spot, so it'll be like this. So in essence, I'm thinking of this as a cover. Okay, with us so far? So we'll take one of these. I am going to emboss it using this embossing folder. I'm sorry it doesn't have a name on it, it has snowflakes on it. And I will just run that through my machine. So pretty, but I think we can do better than that. So let's bring this in. A dry baby wipe. And I have some of this Nuvo, words again, escape me, Nuvo embellishment mousse. And I'm just going to take the wipe. And just rub over it. Just to highlight those snowflakes a bit better. See that way? Very good. I think actually I want it that way. This colour is, it has this number 807, aquamarine. I found it, I read it. Okay, and I'm also going to put on this little postage stamp. I think I'm going to do it on a jaunty angle. Let's use 3-in-1. Ooh, we can get the lid off. It's a bit yucky. Okay. Come on, glue. There we are. Let's put you on your side for now. So that is essentially the front cover decorated. I feel like I should have done a prototype and started off with that, but yeah, we're nearly there. Literally, it is the simplest thing in the world. So I have got my Where My Weepers Crop-A-Dile. It doesn't have to be a crop-a-dile, you could just use an awl or just a normal paper punch. So just want to line these up best we can. And I'm just going to come in a smidge. I'm using the smaller setting. What's that? 1/8 of an inch. Try and get it in the middle at the top. Punch with all of your might because there's a lot to go through there. Slip in your split pin. turn mine around slightly and fold out its little legs. You see that? And then this is the magic. You're just going to splay out what are essentially your petals. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I mean, come on. That is going in a Christmas journal. Like right now, I don't have a Christmas journal on the go, but it's going in one. And you can just write little notes on them or stick more embellishments on. I mean, how cute is that? So you're like, oh, that's cute. And then you're like, bam! Even cuter. I mean, just adorable. So should we do another one? Because I've got these. So this is a mixture of 2 shades of blue, like a very deep burgundy. So again, I want to emboss the front, what I am designating as the front cover. Beautiful, beautiful. Do we want to go over that with some of this? And you might as well. It's out. Ooh, I'm just going to use the same colour. Oh, I tell you what. I like this colour on here. It sort of just makes the card look more metallic-y. Ooh. Well, we've learned that to do. There we go. And this, okay, so I was also really proud of this. So my sister she bought me like a 3D skull to make, and you had to pop out some of the negative spaces, and this was one of them. And I thought, wow, that looks like something, and I stamped it up on it because it fitted in there perfectly. So I essentially made my own chipboard shape. Proof that I throw absolutely nothing away. Okay, so again, just put all of those together. Bring in, just emptied out all of the little bits there. Bring in the punch. Squeeze! And I've got a little blue flower one here. As you can see right now, that's hanging over, but when you pull out your petals, hold on, that's not quite. This one doesn't want to go right. There. When you pull out your petals, it sort of makes it look like it's in the centre of the flower. And I mean, that needs to go on a journal also. Okay, one more, because you know 3 is a magic number. So let us emboss this. I mean, you don't have to emboss it. You could collage it, you could stamp it. You could do anything you like. So there's that. I've just got these little flowers that came from a, I think it came from a magazine. Little magazine freebie. It's the only time I ever buy a magazine, is when it's got a free gift. I will say I didn't rub anything over that. Yeah. Ah! I'm attached to everything over there. Small side, if you remember that. Bunch. Another glittery split pin here. And ta-da! Another flower. I'm just messing. How cute is that? So I just think that it's fun to have little interactive elements in your journal. I mean, I love going through and sticking things in pockets and whatnot. I mean, just look at them. Aren't they so cute and fun? And I busted some scraps. So yeah, just a little quick video. I mean, it was like, it's essentially 3 steps if you don't decorate the front of it. Get them together, punch a hole, put your split pin through it. It was so simple. But I do like how they're decorated. Ah, so cute. So thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to go sit and play with these. That's all I'm going to do. Play the next hour. And I'll see you next time. Bye!